Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the iPad and clearing a stable, anti-static workspace so dust and static won't wreck components. Once done, heat the lower bezel to about 40-60 degrees C to soften the adhesive and make separation predictable. You'll place a suction cup near the home button, pull gently, and slip a thin pick into the gap. Keep the lift shallow, about 1/8 of an inch, and do not hinge the panel beyond 45 degrees, because the display cables under the top can strain. Once the front is open, prop the glass at a low angle and support it so gravity won't stress connectors. You'll see a small metal shield near the home button secured by 3 screws. Remove them and set the shield aside. Then use an ESD-safe spudger to release the display and digitizer ZIF connectors. Pry at the tab edge, not the cable body. Make sure to photograph this arrangement and label each cable so reassembly is foolproof. Screw lengths vary, so separate them by their original positions. You now transfer the home button and proximity sensors onto the replacement screen, cleaning old adhesive with 90% plus isopropyl to ensure good bonding. Once components are transferred, reconnect the display and digitizer, and power the iPad on to test touch and LCD function before sealing. This step saves a full reopen if something's wrong. If tests pass, apply new adhesive strips, reseat the metal shield and screws gently, and press the glass from center outward to avoid trapped air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.